Hey food lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the glorious world of pizza. Forget those soggy cardboard delivery disasters because we're about to show you how to make incredible pizzas right in your own kitchen. We're talking crispy crusts, perfectly melted cheese, and toppings that would make even the snobbiest Italian chef weep with joy. From the classic Margherita to the cheesy, meaty indulgence of a Chicago deep dish, we've got a pizza for every palate. So ditch the takeout menus, grab your aprons, and get ready for a pizza masterclass that'll leave you saying, "That's bloody delicious." Right, you donkey. Let's kick things off with the queen of all pizzas, the Margherita. Remember, this is all about simplicity and fresh, high-quality ingredients. We're talking about a beautiful hand-stretched dough, a vibrant tomato sauce made with real San Marzano tomatoes and fresh mozzarella, torn, not shredded. Finally, a sprinkle of fresh basil leaves to finish. Slide that bad boy into a screaming hot oven and watch the magic happen. The crust will puff up beautifully, the cheese will melt into a bubbly, golden dream. Once it's out of the oven, give it a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt. A pizza so simple, yet so damn delicious, it'll become your new go-to recipe. Listen up, you lot. We're moving on to another all-time favorite, pepperoni and mushroom. First, we're going in with a generous layer of our homemade tomato sauce, spread evenly across our perfectly proofed dough. Then, we're hitting it with a mountain of mozzarella cheese. Next, it's time for the stars of the show. Spicy pepperoni and thinly sliced cremini mushrooms. Scatter them evenly over the cheese, making sure every slice gets a bit of both. Into the oven it goes, until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbling and slightly charred in spots. And there you have it, a classic pepperoni and mushroom pizza that's guaranteed to satisfy even the biggest appetites. Alright, you hungry lot. Let's turn up the heat with a BBQ chicken pizza that's finger-licking good. We're ditching the tomato sauce for this one, and going in with a smoky, tangy BBQ sauce base. For the chicken, we're using pre-cooked, shredded chicken tossed in a little extra BBQ sauce for maximum flavor. Sprinkle on a generous amount of mozzarella cheese, red onion for a bit of bite, and fresh cilantro for a touch of freshness. Into the oven it goes until the cheese is melted and bubbly, and the crust is golden brown. Once it's out, give it a final drizzle of BBQ sauce for good measure. There you have it, a BBQ chicken pizza that's sweet, smoky, and utterly irresistible. Listen up, you veggie fiends. This one's for you. We're creating a vibrant and flavorful veggie lovers pizza that's bursting with freshness. First, we're spreading a thin layer of our homemade tomato sauce over the dough, followed by a generous helping of mozzarella cheese. Now let's talk veggies. Bell peppers, sliced onions, mushrooms, black olives, and juicy cherry tomatoes. Roast those veggies in the oven with a drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of salt and pepper until they're tender and slightly charred. Scatter them over the cheese and pop the pizza back in the oven until the cheese is melted and bubbly. There you have it, a veggie lover's pizza that's so delicious even the meat lovers will be fighting for a slice. Alright, you hungry hippos, it's time to tackle the Chicago deep dish, a pizza so epic it needs its own zip code. This isn't just any pizza, it's a culinary marvel that stands tall and proud, loaded with layers of deliciousness. If you think you know pizza, think again. This is a whole new level of indulgence. We're talking a thick buttery crust that's crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, layers upon layers of gooey cheese, and toppings that will make your taste buds dance. The flavor explosion is something you have to experience to believe. First, we need a deep, oven-proof skillet. Grease it well and press the dough into the skillet, making sure it goes all the way up the sides. This is crucial because the dough needs to hold all those layers of cheese and toppings without collapsing. We're using a blend of mozzarella and provolone for that perfect melt and flavor. Layer it generously over the crust. The cheese is the foundation of this pizza and we're not skimping on it. The more cheese, the better. Next, it's time for the toppings. Italian sausage, pepperoni slices, sliced mushrooms, and onions. These toppings add a savory, meaty, and slightly sweet flavor that complements the rich cheese perfectly. Instead of putting the toppings on top of the cheese, we're doing it Chicago style. This means the toppings go under the cheese, creating a unique texture and flavor profile that's distinctly Chicago. Pour a simple, uncooked tomato sauce over the entire pizza, covering all those beautiful toppings. The sauce is tangy and fresh, balancing out the richness of the cheese and toppings. Into the oven it goes until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly charred around the edges. The baking process melds all the flavors together, creating a harmonious and mouth-watering masterpiece. This, my friends, is a pizza masterpiece. It's not just food, it's an experience. Gather your friends and family because this is a pizza that's meant to be shared and savored. Enjoy every cheesy, meaty bite. Listen up, you lot, because we're about to embark on a culinary journey to the Motor City Detroit. Known for its rich automotive history and vibrant music scene, Detroit also boasts a unique culinary gem that stands out in the world of pizza. We're talking about the Detroit-style deep dish pizza that's crispy, cheesy, and utterly addictive. This isn't your typical round pizza, it's a rectangular masterpiece that has captured the hearts of pizza lovers everywhere. First, we need a well-seasoned steel pan. This pan is crucial because it helps create that signature crispy crust that Detroit-style pizza is famous for. The steel pan is often passed down through generations, each use adding more flavor. Stretch the dough into the pan, making sure it reaches all corners. The dough should be thick and fluffy, almost like a focaccia, which will give the pizza its hearty base. Instead of mozzarella, we're using brick cheese, a Wisconsin specialty that gives Detroit pizza its unique flavor. This cheese melts beautifully and creates a caramelized edge that is simply irresistible. Sprinkle it generously over the dough, all the way to the edges. This ensures that every bite is packed with cheesy goodness, and the edges get that perfect crispy cheesy crust. For the toppings, we're keeping it classic with pepperoni sliced into small cups so they crisp up beautifully in the oven. These little pepperoni cups hold tiny pools of delicious oil that add to the flavor. Scatter them evenly over the cheese. Make sure each slice gets a good amount of pepperoni, as this is a key component of the classic Detroit-style pizza. Add dollops of tomato sauce on top of the pepperoni. Unlike other pizzas, the sauce goes on top, which helps keep the crust from getting soggy, and adds a burst of tangy flavor with every bite. Into a ripping hot oven it goes until the cheese is bubbly and slightly charred around the edges. The high heat is essential for achieving that perfect balance of crispy crust and gooey cheese, and the crust is golden brown and crispy. This is the hallmark of a well-made Detroit-style pizza, where the crust is just as important as the toppings. Once it's out of the oven, let it cool slightly before slicing it into squares. The square slices are another distinctive feature, making it easy to share and enjoy. That's how they do it in Detroit. So next time you're craving something different, remember the rectangular rebel of the pizza world, the Detroit deep dish. Alright, you lot, let's address the elephant in the room, Hawaiian pizza. This pizza has sparked more debates than any other topping combination out there. Some people absolutely adore the mix of sweet and savory, while others can't stand the thought of fruit on their pizza. But let's dive into what makes this pizza so special, and why it deserves a place in the Pizza Hall of Fame. You either love it or hate it, but trust me, when it's done right, with the perfect balance of sweet and savory, it's a bloody revelation. The key is in the quality of the ingredients and the harmony of flavors. When the pineapple is fresh and juicy and the cheese is perfectly melted, it creates a symphony of tastes that dance on your palate. We're starting with our classic pizza dough, stretched to perfection, and a generous layer of tomato sauce. The dough is the foundation of any great pizza, and getting it just right is crucial. It should be soft and chewy on the inside, with a slight crisp on the outside. Now for the controversial part: fresh, juicy pineapple chunks. This is where the magic happens. The pineapple adds a burst of sweetness that contrasts beautifully with the savory elements of the pizza. Scatter those pineapple chunks evenly over the sauce, then sprinkle over a generous amount of mozzarella cheese. The cheese acts as a creamy, melty blanket that ties all the flavors together. For a touch of magic, we're adding some crispy bacon bits. The saltiness of the bacon complements the sweetness of the pineapple, creating a perfect balance. Into the oven it goes, until the crust is golden brown, the cheese is bubbly, and the pineapple is caramelized and slightly charred around the edges. This is where all the ingredients meld together to create a masterpiece. Once it's out of the oven, give it a final sprinkle of fresh cilantro for a touch of freshness. The cilantro adds a hint of herbaceous flavor that elevates the entire pizza. There you have it, a Hawaiian pizza that will convert even the most skeptical eaters. Whether you're a fan or a critic, give this recipe a try and you might just find yourself pleasantly surprised. And there you have it, 7 mouth-watering pizzas that you can easily whip up in your kitchen. Whether you crave the classic Margherita, the hearty Chicago deep dish, or the tropical Hawaiian, these recipes are sure to delight your taste buds. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Which pizza are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Happy cooking and see you next time.